Let's get you the biggest story this hour. Delhi's Lady Hardinge Medical College has issued fresh guidelines stating that healthcare workers will not quarantine even after exposed to COVID. In fact, the central government-run hospital in its circular says that healthcare workers will have to continue work with a tight-fitted mask and maximum possible social distancing, preferably more than 1 meter, irrespective of the degree of contact. Now, the circular further states that healthcare workers must be vigilant about the symptoms of influenza and get tested if they spot any. Now, the circular comes even as healthcare workers test positive for COVID across the cities. Let me go across to our correspondent Ayushman Kumar, who has brought the story for us. Ayushman, first of all, help us understand this entire controversy. What exactly has been written in this particular circular that has been issued by Lady Hardinge Hospital?
Well, in this circular, the Lady Hardinge Hospital specifies to the doctors and the healthcare workers that if they come in contact with a positive patient of COVID, they don't need to go in quarantine. In fact, they have to wear the tight-fitted N95 mask unless and until the symptoms develop. It is perhaps the idea behind this is that there are a large number of cases coming, and if the doctors start quarantining themselves for coming in contact with positive patients, the strength will be depleted very rapidly. So that is something which has been there, but the healthcare workers have been told that they don't need to isolate after coming into contact. It has also been said here in the circular that this is as per the guidelines of Ministry of Health. Now, we checked with Ministry of Health. We have been told that there is no such circular which has been there because there is no such guideline telling that the doctors don't need to quarantine. We checked it from Safdarjung and AIIMS as well. There also, there is no such thing in written as to doctors don't have to quarantine. Of course, the doctors do say that if they test positive in a large number and they quarantine, there is definitely going to be problem on the health care infrastructure. So for now, this is the first time that we are seeing in this circular, the Lady Hardinge Hospital making it clear that doctors don't need to quarantine themselves. They need to come to work even after getting exposed to COVID-19 patient.
Right, Ayushman, at this point in time, it is also very important to understand and also to remind our viewers as to what are the guidelines or norms which are in place right now in the country for high-risk contacts.
Well, if you are getting into contact with a person who is there, you need to isolate yourself and go through the symptoms for 5 to 7 days. The symptoms need to be monitored, and only after that, if you generate the symptoms, if the symptoms are there, you go for RT-PCR. If the symptoms are not there, then you can come out. But first is that isolation is important. You get to isolate yourself, and after the test is confirming that you are RT-PCR negative, only then you should be moving out. That's why you see almost all the tweets from all those leaders who are testing positive. They are making it clear that all those who have come in contact with them should isolate and get themselves tested first. So here, this is in complete contradiction to that. You are telling the doctors that even if you are coming in contact of a positive person, you keep on coming on duties because you have a tight-fitted mask on your face, and that is something which will protect you. And that is something which is not being confirmed by the Health Ministry also, whether there is a circular from their side stating the central hospitals to do something like this, because this is not the circular which is present in the Safdarjung Hospital, where we have seen more than 150 doctors testing positive. And also in AIIMS also we checked, there is no such circular which says something in this line.
Right. In fact, my next question was this only, Ayushman. What about the other hospitals who are operating right now in the national capital? Because we are seeing instances of healthcare workers getting COVID, getting infected on a daily basis, and that too in large numbers. So, of course, the strength of the hospitals are getting affected. There is no doubt. But how are the hospitals actually dealing with it? Other hospitals, in fact.
Well, this is central government hospitals that we are talking about. And in the hospitals like Safdarjung and AIIMS, we have spoken to the officials where the doctors are testing positive. Of course, the general view that we are getting from there is that this is already somewhere in back of the mind because there is a huge pool of positive patients that is coming in the hospital. Some way or the other, you're going to get exposed on from a patient like that because you're seeing a positivity of more than 11% in the national capital right now. Every 11th person is a positive person. So how many doctors are going to quarantine if they are getting quarantined basis the contact history? So that is something which is not being put in paper from Safdarjung or AIIMS. But here in AHMC, it has been stated that these doctors don't need to quarantine itself unless and until the symptoms develop.
Right, Ayushman, thank you so much for getting us all those details and this big story that we are tracking on Mirror Now this hour. In fact, Dr. Anuj from FODA is also joining us with his perspective on this particular circular that has been issued by Delhi Hospital. Dr. Anuj, thank you so much for taking the time out. First of all, your reaction on this circular, this direction that has come from Lady Hardinge Hospital to all the healthcare workers, where they have been asked to return to work even if they have been exposed to COVID.
Yeah, ma'am. Regarding this aspect, there are two sides of the coin. First point is that we are already having shortage of doctors in all the hospitals, and we are having rapidly rising number of COVID cases. So almost every other doctor is being exposed to COVID positive patient, be it in OPD or in ward or while doing some kind of operative procedure. So if we are going to give a kind of quarantine to all the doctors, then all the hospitals will become empty. No doctor would be available to work. And on the other hand, we have to keep in mind that, yeah, if a doctor is exposed to the COVID positive patient, or if they are imparting duties in a COVID ward where they are dealing with a COVID positive patient every day, then after that they should be given the quarantine, because it was given in earlier 2 waves also. And this time the virus is even more transmissible and is even more infective. So yeah, keeping both the things in mind, in Southern Hospital, there is going to be a meeting at 3:30 p.m. among all the MS, additional MS and the HODs, and this thing will be decided. I have raised the issue in the morning itself. I talked to my MS and I told him about this issue. But yeah, at least the doctors who are imparting their duties in dedicated COVID wards or in the COVID ICUs, they must be given a quarantine period of at least 7 days. And otherwise, it would be a grave problem, because the infectivity rate will further increase.
Right. Dr. Anuj, thank you so much for sharing your time and also your perspective on this particular story, and also very important information that a particular meeting is going to take place on this issue where doctors are going to put forth their concerns. And as Dr. Anuj from FODA said, that doctors are going to demand at least 7 days quarantine period if they get exposed to COVID, contrary to what the circular has said and has directed. In fact, we also have Dr. J.A. Jayalal from IMA, President of IMA. In fact, Dr. Jayalal, thank you so much for speaking to us. First of all, what do you think about this circular that has been issued by Lady Hardinge Hospital?
And at the outset, I would say that it is a very inhuman and sadistic approach by the concerned authorities. I think how long that in medical fraternity will be put into such kind of hardship, I'm not able to understand. In the second wave, and the first wave, more than 2,000 of our colleagues have died in the COVID war. But still, the government is still want to expose these young doctors to the COVID virus. We must all remember, once when a patient is exposed to the virus, when it is repeatedly, when the frequency is high, then more and more viral load when they are exposed, definitely they are prone to a severe form of infection and severe form of the disease. Even if they are immunized, even if they have all the immunity is good, when the viral load they are exposing is going to be high, they are going to be at a disastrous situation. But having that known very well to the higher officials, to overcome the shortage of the doctors, they are now playing that trick in the life of the doctors. I think the government should come out very practically. There are plenty of doctors waiting for getting appointments. We have enough doctors. You see, every year 85,000 junior doctors are coming out. Only 40,000 will go to the PG. Rest of the people are there. Only the government should now open up their box and admit or appoint these more and more doctors into the field. This is a war-like situation. Do not expose the soldiers again and again, and you will get into a very, very dangerous situation. So we appeal to the concerned authorities to reconsider the decision, open up and appoint more doctors so that the time allotted shall not be more than 8 hours, and 7 days quarantine has to be given for the people who are exposing or working in the COVID ward or COVID designated centers.
Right. So, Dr. Jayalal, as per you, the solution to this problem is, of course, to appoint more doctors. And as you were saying that there are junior doctors which are present and which are available for work. We just need to speed up the entire admission process and the entire appointment process. But can it be done quickly enough to address the situation that we are witnessing right now? Because there is an urgent need of more workforce across hospitals in Delhi. Right, we'll try and reconnect to Dr. Jayalal, but as you were listening to the doctors also, all of them are raising concerns over this particular circular that has been issued by Lady Hardinge Hospital, where they have clearly mentioned that even if the healthcare workers have exposed themselves to COVID, they will have to return to work immediately without quarantining. In fact, this is a central government-run hospital that we are talking about, and it has said that healthcare workers will have to continue work with a tight-fitted mask and maximum possible social distancing, irrespective of the degree of contact. And now, expectedly, the doctors are not very happy with this. In fact, we also spoke with the FODA member, Dr. Anuj. He said that they are going to put forth these concerns, and we'll see and we'll track all the developments that are taking place as to whether the hospital, the central government, take note of all the concerns and all the issues that are now being raised by the doctors over this circular.